Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with the essentials. Get the exact SSID, choose the encryption type, and copy the password precisely. Once done, pick a QR generator that supports Wi-Fi payloads or use your router's integrated QR tool if available. Make sure you select the correct authentication method so devices parse it automatically. After creating the code, preview it and test readability on screen at typical scanning distance. This avoids simple typos and ensures smooth scanning for multiple device types. Now generate the QR. Input the SSID, authentication mode, and password exactly as used by the network, and choose an error correction level high enough for printing or display. Export a high-resolution PNG or vector SVG to keep edges crisp. Once exported, immediately scan the image with a spare phone or tablet. Don't rely on one device. If the device connects automatically or prompts to join, you're good. If not, recheck the payload and regenerate until it works reliably. Finally, display or print the QR where users can comfortably scan it, avoiding glare and ensuring sufficient size and contrast. When a user scans, the phone should offer to join automatically, accept and confirm. If scanning fails, make sure the SSID and encryption type exactly match the router and that special characters in the password were encoded correctly. As a troubleshooting tip, try a manual join once to confirm details, then regenerate the QR. Alternatively, provide a temporary hotspot if immediate access.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.